Hi. Today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's because vlogging. It's the afternoon though. It's a Wednesday afternoon, and all I'm going to do today is it's raining outside. I'm going to go walk to my nan's house, and then show you what I'm doing there. So, if I pop you guys, okay, I can't pop you anywhere at the moment. I'll pop you guys there. I need to get my coat on. I have not been told which one. This is one of my coats, but it's not a raincoat. None of my coats have hoods. This isn't even my coat, this is my mother's. Wait, it's mine. Okay. Got some shoes on. And an umbrella. Let me see how heavily raining it is. When I say heavily raining, I mean really heavily. God damn it. Okay. Right. You go down there. I'll say pop my umbrella up. Right. Hello again. The umbrella is officially up. Oh, now down. And now I've got to shut the door. We're walking. I'm going to change hands. I don't know if you know, my nan's house is really short, far away. It's a really short way. It's not long. I have to put it really close because the umbrella is not that big. So if I put the camera out of the water, I know it's waterproof and that. But sometimes it gets blurry if it gets water drops on it. And I can't be bothered to stop. Ooh. So it's just me walking on this trip. So I decided I would like to go to my nan's house. And my camera is getting a bit wet. Don't know why, we're under an umbrella. I'm just going to pay her a little visit. I don't know why actually, because it's raining. I'm freezing. But I just chose to. It'll only be quickly, because it's only a little short far away. Why do I keep on saying a little short far away? It's only like a couple minutes away from my house. I just thought I can just go there for a bit long, because I've been at school all day. Have seen my nan. Not really my grab. So I'm officially here. I'm officially at my nan's. But I'm in the conservatory. And as you might hear, the rain in here, because like the roof is sort of plasticky up there. So the rain in here just goes like sometimes if you're in a car and it heavily rains. So that's a bit bad, isn't it? I don't know what to do. We've got some emoji balls here. Don't know where the others are, but I'll show you my skills. Ooh. Them skills. No, not them skills. I'm doing one of them things where your hand is like that, and you sort of roll it up and throw it. I think it's called a hand roll or something like that. Just like that, you go whoop, and throw it. I'll try and do one close up. And then you have to catch it with the same hand you did the roll up with, like this. Whoop. I did it with the other hand. You can do it with the other hand if you want to, but ready? You start off like that and then roll it like that. Yeah, I did it wrong. You start it off like that and start it and roll it up like that. God, my brain's going wrong today. Mad balls there. So then when the ball's in the air, sometimes if you throw it, it just does this. Up and then down. But when you do the roll thing, it does that in the air. Woo! I don't know if you'll be able to see that in the camera, but it does. I'm starting to talk now because the rain is getting heavier and louder for me. That just hit the roof. Maybe in this video, the roof looked really tall or really high, really tall up or really low down. I'll tell you a fact now, it's really low. Look, if I throw the ball, hear that bang, it hits it. So yeah, really. It's really weird. So I like doing these with the emoji balls. I do, because it's really fun. Sorry, my back really itches. Oh my goodness! It's a fly. It's a toy fly. Yeah, so add that to the I probably shall be going home at this rate. The rain is pouring down. Why did I come here? Let me go and get something. So I made a pot and it's gone really wrong. I made it with brown clay, not grey clay. And I'm too embarrassed to show you the finishing ending of it, but I'll just show it you. It's not very good lighting. Oh, there we go. And inside it, oh, it came off, the actual thing. I thought it would stay. Inside it, you might not see, basically, yeah, I tied my hair up. Basically, I just put that back, the clay, so I just forgot what I was talking about. I forgot. Have a bad memory, I'm sorry. Yeah, I tied my hair up, and like when I tie it up in like a weird bun, every time it has these bits poking, I'll turn around. Oh, you see, look. It's just a quick, it's not even any hoops around, it's just literally the hair goes on like that. So if this was the hair, I do this. Oh, I don't do that, I do this. I don't do that. It's not working. Maybe because it's my wrist. I just do that and pop it on. I don't do that and twist it round again. I just leave it like that because the hair's so thick. I think my house has better a room in my living room. I think I better get going home. If you like it here, I'm sorry. But the thing is, it is like so loud in here. It might not be, but I just think it is because it's so loud because of the rain and stuff. But I'm sorry. I've got a friend I would like you to meet. Meet Poppy. She's so creepy. Meet my friend Poppy. So basically, this is her head. We've got two of them at my nan's house. Ooh. Anyways, it's really messy today. You might know that this is one of the proper things you have at college. So if you go to college and you want to work as a hairdresser, they will give you these with really long hair. But my nan got this off someone for like she childminds. So she only has it for like little kids who were toddlers. But she got it off this other childminder, and her daughter worked at college, and she did cut it that short. But like these bits are so long, I I don't know actually what style she cut it in. But yeah, say bye to Poppy. And on her neck, sometimes it reminds me of like a choker from far away if it carried on. But it just says hair tools. TM. It's actually like proper hair. I don't know if it's actual real hair or I don't know. In my hair, I've got bits of purple. It's like plastic. What's been plastic what's been burnt. So I think it's time for me to go home actually. Okay, I'm officially leaving now. The reason for that is I thought it would be nice for you in the conservatory. And I was going to do better things with you. But, sorry about that. The umbrella's dropping. But, because of the really loud noise of the rain, I completely forgot it makes that much of a loud noise. So, I had to leave. I said bye to my nan and gran. I didn't show you them because, I paused it. And I didn't realise, so I only met them. Well, not met them because I know them, but I said hello and stuff, like a nice grandchild would. Tied my hair up, got my coat on, put my shoes on, and said bye. It's too loud in your conservatory. I think I have to leave. Thought I heard a car run, but I can't. Maybe I do. Okay. Yeah, I can. Okay. Don't know. Oh, it's a car over there. Nearly there. And I'm officially here. That's my car. And that is my house door. Oh no. Umbrella.